Hello everyone, it's me Gagan Kumar present over here to teach you physics. Let's move on to the video. Today we'll discuss NCERT example 7.3, one gravitation question. Okay, so let's see here the question first. Here one question is given. In that, please come. Find the potential energy of a system of 4 particles placed at the vertices of a square of side L. Also obtain the potential at the center of the square. So first what you find? The first case you find potential energy. First you find potential energy here. Potential energy. So potential energy basically U. First U you find due to the system. Okay, that system is basically what? Now 4 particles placed at the vertices of a square. Okay, so you understand like this. You have a square like this. You have a square like this. Now on this square, you have 4 masses. 4 masses. Here 4 masses are there. And they are saying these all masses are equal. Yes or no? All masses are equal. All are equal mass. Consider equal mass. And square side length how much? L. So square side length is L. Square side length is L. Now for this system, what is the gravitational potential energy? Actually potential energy means gravitational potential energy you have to find. Okay, 4 masses are there. Now all of you listen, if gravitational potential energy I want to find U, what I have to do? Now here I have to consider 2 masses at a time. Pairing you have to do. Yes or no? So first you have to check here what pairing I am doing, you see here. Now first I am taking like this. These 2 mass, 1 pair. Okay. Now what is the gravitational potential energy for these 2 masses? Now minus G m into m divided by L. Yes or no? Now similarly if I will consider these 2 masses as a 1 pair, same thing I have to write. What will write? Minus G mm by L. Yes or no? Because gravitational potential energy is minus a gravitational constant into product of 2 masses. Between 2 masses I am finding and divided by distance between them. Divided by distance between them. Now if I will consider these 2 masses, so what will write L? Minus G mm by L. And if I will consider these 2 masses, again what will write? Minus G mm by L. Yes or no? Now any other pairing is possible? Yes. How? Now diagonally possible. See here, if I will consider these 2 masses, so what will write here? Now minus G mm, G gravitational constant, product of masses and distance between them. What is the distance between them, you say? This is actually diagonal, right? Here to here it is diagonal. So diagonal, what is this? If square side L, so diagonal will be what is the length? Root 2L. Because this is L, this is L. L square plus L square, it will be root 2L. So diagonal will be root 2L. Yes or no? So now it will come how much? It will come here root 2L. Now again another diagonal is there, you check. Another diagonal is there. I can take this diagonal. Yes or no? This diagonal I can take. Now here same distance how much? Your to your distance you can check. Again root 2L. Now what will happen here? I'll write here this one. minus G M M by again root 2L. Okay. So minus this one I can write now, minus G M square by L minus G M square by L minus G M square by L. Okay, M multiplying, that's it. Or directly also you can write minus 4gm square by L, but let me stepwise do. This one what I'll write L? 2 times, okay, or you write first you write gm square by root 2L minus gm square by root 2L. Now next, here 4 similar terms are there, so you can write 4 times minus 4 times gm square by L, and here 2 times, so minus 2 times gm square by root 2L. Yes or no? Now 2 and root 2 will cancel, so root 2 will cancel, 2 here actually root 2 will come, so minus 4 gm square by L minus root 2 g. So this is your gravitational potential energy. Yes or no? And here if gm square by L you take common, suppose you want to take common minus gm square by L you take common, so what will be remaining? 4 plus root. You check properly. Gm square by L you take common, it will be 4 plus root. Clear? So this is the gravitational potential energy of this system. Okay. So instead of writing this now 4, you can directly also write this one, because you know this all mass are equal, length between them or distance between them equal, so you can do that. Okay. Otherwise step by step I did so that you can understand better. Clear idea? Gravitational potential energy of the system we obtained. Now next question. What is the next question? Potential at the center of the square. That means at center. So this is the center here, O. This is white color basically square. So what is the potential at the center? Yes or no? Potential at the center of the square. That one we'll try to find. Now second question. They are asking you to find potential at the center. Let's take the square. Let's take the square here. Square, each mass is m. What is this? M and m and m. Now I need to find at the center. This is O. So the gravitational potential at the center. The gravitational potential at center of square. V naught basically, right? It is what basically? V naught. V naught. So how to find V naught? Now listen. This length, how much given? Square means side L given, right? Each side is L. Each side is L. Each side is L. Now listen. Due to each mass, you have to check what is the gravitational potential there. Yes or no? Now, each mass at how much distance from this center? That one you try to find first. This is your center. So each mass, how much distance is from center? Now let's take it is R. Can you find that R? What is that R you say? Here also this one same thing. Here also R. Here also R. Here also R. Just now you came to know this total diagonal is how much? Root 2L. And here this is R, this is also R. So how much? 2R equal to root 2L. R equal to how much? Root 2L by 2. So R will be how much say? L by root. R is basically L by root. Clear? Now, due to first mass, what is the gravitational potential here? Minus Gm by R. Due to this second mass, again gravitational potential minus Gm by R. Due to third mass, What is the gravitational potential? Minus Gm by r. Then due to fourth mass at this point, at center, what is the gravitational potential? R. So how much coming it is? Minus 4 Gm by r. And r value already you know. Substitute here. Minus 4 Gm, r value is L by root 2. Now root 2 will go up. So minus 4 root 2 into Gm by L. Yes or no? So this is your potential at the center. These are potential at the center. Clear? Try to remember how to find. And why this negative taken? Because always you know gravitational potential due to a point mass is minus Gm by r. R is the distance from where you are finding gravitational potential. So at this center, due to this mass, it is minus Gm by r. Due to this also same, due to this also same, due to that also same. Now 4 masses are there, that's why minus 4 Gm by r. But r value in terms of L you have to find, because L is given to you in question. So r is not given indirectly, okay, directly not given. So total diagonal is root 2L equal to 2r, so r equal to root 2L by 2, so L by root. Okay, r value. Now substitute and get the answer. Note it down. I hope you understood. No doubt here. Okay. If you like, subscribe Vidya Lakshmi NEET Academy YouTube channel. All the very best. Thank you.